Hey everybody, this is Ned and this is Lynn and we are My Philippine Dreams, and this is another example of do as I say, not as I do. If you're living in the Philippines, if you're living in any developing nation for that matter, it's always good to follow your local electric company on Facebook and get the notifications of when they're going to be having all-day brownouts, because today is Saturday, July 7th, 2018, and I forgot this past week to check Noreko for their updates and notifications on a scheduled brownout. So today we have an all-day brownout, 8 to 5 p.m. And we didn't know about it, so some people's phones weren't charged. Other people's were. And right now, this afternoon, I just went to the gym. We did some stuff this morning. And we're going to head up to Twin Lakes, Lake Balinsasayao, up in San Juan, to kill the rest of the afternoon and try to cool off a bit. So come along and check it out. It's always a good time. Right, Angel? And Angel's horribly injured. She got into a fight with Mama McCracken and Snoopy Dog, and she got her ass kicked, and I think her leg might be broken. On that happy note, let's go to Lake Balinsasayao. Check it out. Alright, so half the enjoyment of actually going up to Twin Lakes is the ride up to Twin Lakes itself. I think it's like 6 or 7 kilometers up, and it's a picturesque ride. It goes over a lot of scenic vistas, and it's as you get higher, it gets cooler, and you get to say hi to people as they come by. And you might notice, well, not yet, but you might notice behind me, you see these giant power cables and towers. And these actually come from the thermal plant up in Valencia, and they transfer the power down these giant cables and these giant towers, as you can see behind me, hopefully, down to the water down there, and it crosses over to Santander. So it goes from Almay, all underwater to Santander, and it powers a good amount of southern Cebu. So the power that we have here in Negros at the thermal plant is actually shared with southern Cebu. And here come some more people. I'll have to say hi. Hi. And our journey continues. But yeah, I always thought that was pretty cool, because when you're on Pulang Bato, when you're floating on your back in the water and you look up, you see these cables way up high in the sky, and you see the transmission towers, but you don't realize what it is until you actually come down here and you see the cables disappearing into the ocean across the Strait of Tanan, I think it's called. But enough of me babbling, let's get back to this. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Am I talking too much?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am
You're
talking.
always talking too much.
I'm always talking too much. Stop, stop, stop. Alright, so we pulled over at a sorry halfway up the mountain to indulge in some, I don't know, radiator fluid. I think the new color Mountain Dew is a little disturbing. And I just wanted to say one more time how impressed I am by the power, the simplicity, and the convenience of the Honda Click 125. I've actually brought my Yamaha YBR 125 up here, and I've also brought the Rouser 200 NS up here, and this by far is the easiest thing just to get around. I mean, as long as you're not going on super enduro cruises 600, 700 kilometers at a time, these little Honda Clicks, these little automatics, no matter what they are, Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda, they're really great. So I'm gonna finish up my Mountain Dew here, and we're gonna continue on. Maybe later on we'll get to Nescafe. Oh, 3-in-1, the best. Oh, ice cream, ice cream. Alright, so I've reached the checkpoint, and we have to purchase our tickets. Now this was my first encounter with the skin tax, the long nose tax, the condo tax, whatever you want to call it. Foreigners being charged more than locals. Some people still really get very upset about this and think it's unfair and racist and all kinds of stuff. But I look at it this way. Most foreigners coming to the Philippines are making a lot more money than a lot of local Filipinos have. So why deny local Filipinos the opportunity to enjoy their own country with a reduced entrance fee at a park? You know what I mean? It's not rocket science, actually. So we're gonna go buy our tickets. Balinsasayao. Balinsasayao. Nature Park Visitor Center. It's very nice. And there's monkeys. I told you there's monkeys. Oh, you gotta take a look. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. It comes out to 100 pesos for a foreigner. That's $2 US, you cheap sons of bitches. And 50 pesos for a Pinoy. That's $1, a little bit under $1. So there's this little flooded out area, which is really nice. I always swing by this and check this out. And actually had some rain, which is good. It's good to have rain, because rain means everything beautiful. Speaking of beautiful, hey, there's Lynn. I seem to have lost Lynn. Yeah, this is nice here. It's a little flooded out. They got little tables. Can have a little picnic. And there comes Lynn. Gotta get rid of my new girlfriend. This nice? See? Picture. Oh, picture. We gotta do selfies. Alright, so we're up at the parking area, and looks like some entrepreneur has built a sorry. And is a local leaping lemur. The monkey. And over here is the visitor center. It's got like a little restaurant, scenic overlook, platform, and you get some foods up here and some snacks. And that's what we're gonna do. Get some snack, and then we're gonna head out along the rough trail along Balinsasayao. That's where we're going. Somewhere. And we're looking for birds. We're looking for monkeys. Some monkey.
You already have one monkey.
Oh. That's not very. That's racist. You know, we're socialists. We can't be racist like that. Alright, so here's the little store. They got snacks. We're gonna get some snacks. Get some Nova chips or something. You can actually camp up here too. They got like little camping spots. And here is one of the scenic overlook vistas. This is the first lake. There's 2 lakes. The other lake, you gotta go along this trail along the left-hand side or take a boat. We're actually gonna take the trail because we're adventurous. So we're gonna do that. But first, a snack. Okay, so as you know, it's all about the health. So for a snack, I got a water, because water's healthy. Lynn got more radiator fluid. And we also got 2 Prestos, which are like Oreos, kind of, sort of. And we got a banana bread. And this is what's gonna fuel us for the next hour as we explore Balinsasayao.